Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over CLOV with you guys, as CLOV has been climbing up throughout the day. I want to make sure we do cover exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow. What exactly would give us that confirmation on that momentum going to tomorrow, and what exactly I would be looking out for to have that major breakout possibly going to tomorrow. And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's run this one. So I'm going to go over CLOV with you guys here on the 4-hour chart. I'm going to go over exactly how this one played out today, and then what exactly has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts out today. We mentioned CLOV yesterday in a video, and we continued on up going to today. We mentioned that CLOV needed to break over $10, and sure enough, we did. We came all the way up to $11 and tested $11. Looking to see if we can continue here. We also mentioned BBIG on that volume spike at $8.91, jumping all the way up over $11.41 going 6 extended hours. Looking to see if we can continue with BBIG. I'm going to go over that video in the next video. We also did mention SOAC on that break from $11.50, jumping all the way up to $13 on that breakout. So again, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert for the day again. So as you guys can see here on CLOV here on the 5-minute, we have been bouncing off the 20-moving average and consolidating and climbing on up past this 20-moving average. And it looks like we did overextend here. We came back down and we did test the 50-moving average, looking to see if we can climb on this 20-moving average going to tomorrow and possibly bounce off of it and have a major spike going to tomorrow. As you guys can see, going to extended hours, we actually did hold up pretty nicely, and we are looking to see if we can continue on up with this momentum. So back on the 4-hour chart, I wanted to make sure we do cover this so that way you guys can see overall exactly how this one has been looking. As you guys can see here, we did mention yesterday that the 20-moving average was looking to see if we can break over the 52-moving average, and sure enough, that's exactly what happened going to today. We had this 22-moving average and crossed right above this 50-moving average and continued on up going to today. So I wanted to go over exactly what has to happen for us to get a continuation here. So as you guys can see, we are looking to see if we can hold above this $10 mark going to tomorrow, of course, and breaking over $11 where we're getting rejected to the upside here is very key for us. But in my opinion, breaking over this $13.50 mark, you guys can see we had our continuation sell-off at this point, is a very key resistance for us to break above, in my opinion. So again, if we are going to continue on going to tomorrow, we're going to make sure we do keep this $13.50 mark in consideration as a rejection point. Again, if we do break over $13.50, then we are going to be looking to see if we can break over $15. As you guys can see, we had our rejection to the upside here at $15, and we're looking to see if we can break over $13.50 and then over that $15 mark to get that continuation and major breakout like we have seen previously on CLOV. Again, CLOV has been on a major spike previously at $28, and you guys can see we have been consolidating recently. And again, I did like this one yesterday because we had the 20-moving average finally crossing above the 50 on the larger time frame, showing us a ton of momentum, and sure enough, we did get that momentum. You guys can see here we had that increase in buy pressure. Again, we're looking to see if we can continue on with this buy pressure going to tomorrow. Now, one thing I really like is that we have the EMA lines that are crossing above the MACD here, looking to see if we can continue with this momentum, if we can get that increase in buy pressure. As you guys can see, we have some buy pressure that has been coming in today, but to avoid that rejection, in my opinion, is to break above our previous buy pressure point here. So again, we could be setting our alert right over this previous buy pressure point, so that way if it does break above it, then we will be alerted as soon as that does break out and does give us that momentum. Now, there's no say that that's necessarily going to make us break over $15. That does show that we do have momentum, and I would be playing into it at that point in time. Again, possibly on a short-term play, possibly on a long-term play. Depends on if we do get white shaded lines at that point in time. But again, we are going to keep this $13.50 and this $5 resistance in consideration, as this is where we previously did sell off and did get rejected. But again, CLOV, a beautiful breakout over this 50-moving average that we did see and that we did mention yesterday in this video. Again, on the 5-minute, looking to see if we can hold the 20-moving average above the 50 here to continue on up with that strong momentum. And again, we still could cross down below the 50 and then cross back up. But in my opinion, that would be losing a lot of momentum here on CLOV, as CLOV, based on the momentum that we have been getting and climbing up, it looks like we are getting a lot of compression, looking to see if we can make a major move up or possibly a major move down. So again, CLOV, definitely the watch for this momentum. We're going to make sure we do get that confirmation on the 4-hour chart to make sure we do get that increase in buy pressure. But again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'll be doing. And again, I love going over all of these charts with you guys so you guys can learn exactly how we look for confirmation on these breakouts and what gives us that consistent breakout. And again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert for the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.